Good morning, everyone. This is Kish back again for another nail review. Today, I am going to be reviewing the LA Colors. This is just a general nail polish. You can find it in Walmart, Target, Walgreens. So I thought I would review something just a little more average, not something that you have to actually order online. Right here, you see me doing some swatches. The first one that I'm swatching for you is the Pink Bling, which is a really pretty color. I thought I already had it swatched on a clear swatch plate as well as with a white background, and I decided to do it on a black background. You can't see the swatches on the black, but I'll go through and I'll add those in. Those will be towards the end of the video. The next color that you see here is the Drippin', which is a really pretty color. It's like a green glitter. I thought it was really pretty. They're all really pretty, kind of like I like the glitters for like top coats. They're actually, to be so reasonably priced and they're always on sale, they're very nice colors and they have really good coverage as well. Next is the Pure Blush that you see here that I'm swatching for you. And the glitter comes out really well. And I'm not even using like a sponge or anything like that. And I didn't use a sponge with any of these swatches. I just painted it on there. So there's none of that is actually done. Next is from the Mermaid Magic line. This color is called Hidden Treasure. And all of the products are 0.44 fluid ounces or 13 milliliters each, just so you know. And they're about $2 to $3. I think a couple of them I got on sale for like $1. So I thought that was really neat. This is another one from the Mermaid Magic line. This is the Shimmer Mist color that you're looking at now that I'm swatching for you. And as I stated, don't worry, the black, I'll put that up with the rest of the swatches. I'm just pulling, it was kind of last minute. I've already done all the other swatches. The black was a last minute, so I painted those black and had those drying. I actually forgot about the other one. I miscounted. In the purple Razzle, this one here, I completely forgot, so I had to like go back and do another swatch for you guys. That's why it's a bit more shiny. I actually did it with a gel top coat instead of just the regular black for that one. So like I said, they're all like really beautiful. I think something really affordable and cute. I know a lot of nail DIYers, they give you like all the more expensive ones and stuff like that, but this is just some that you can actually go into the store and pick up. This color here, this is one of the newest ones that I have. It is the Passion Play, and I think it's like beautiful. It actually reminds me of one of my Live Love Polish colors that is very expensive. It's like $14 and this is like $2, and I like it's very comparable. So next one we have here is also part of the Mermaid Magic line. It's called Mermaid, this one, and it's really pretty as well. Like I said, they have some very like shimmery colors that are nice. So next we have another one that's part of the Mermaid Magic line, and this color is called Sea Life, which is like kind of a seafoam color. I think it's beautiful, so beautiful. And sometimes if I'm doing like a quick mani, I know a lot of these guys are like professionals, but I don't always like to pull color on and off my nails. This is Mystical, and it's also part of the Mermaid Magic line. So, and you saw that I already did like all the glitter colors. Now I'm going to add the black swatches in, just showing you again that purple Razzle, I think it's Razzie. So just moving those over so you can see the black that is included in there as well. So thought that was really nice. And then we're going to look at again that Shimmer Mist. And I'm going to add that swatch in there as well, so you can kind of see the coverage is really nice with that glitter, kind of like an overlay, so you can overlay it on other colors as well. Then again, we are going to look at the hidden treasure color, which is right there. And then we're going to go back again to the pure blush, which has a gold top. The pure blush and the pink bling are very similar. I kind of, if they weren't labeled, I would not know which was which. I'm just gonna be honest. And then we're gonna go back to that drip in color, which is like the teal or turquoise shimmers, which is really nice. Has great coverage as well. Like I said, for a $2 to $3 polish, it really does have great coverage, and it actually lasts really, really long with just a regular top coat. And this again is the pink bling. So, and I thought that was really, really pretty too. So these are all my LA colors, just for you to look at. Just so you can kind of get an idea if that's something that you are interested in. You know, sometimes you get regular colors and it just seems like they're nothing. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.